Baby. What's going on, y'all? It's another POV we doing, baby. I just got a Red Bull. Honestly, I might not even get anything from in here. Yeah, probably not gonna just I probably might not get nothing because I literally just got a Red Bull and I got some water. So but yeah, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Heem. No, you good. Appreciate it. Y'all see the one I leave, man. Whew. Y'all can. We just did this video, so make sure y'all go tune into this video right here and see the taillights installation. But bro, that just looks so much. That just looks so much cleaner, yo. Holy. Holy. Let me go ahead and get my thumbnail right now, baby. But yeah, man. I know y'all loving the videos, bruh, so y'all keep on tapping in. I'll take that picture real quick. Boom, dailies. Take one that's unedited and take one that's boom. Damn. Boom. Go ahead and record content real quick. Let me show y'all how the clip's getting done. Y'all can skip this part of the video too. Boom, baby. We do it just like that. Then we come here. Boom. Why she staring at me like that? She looking like, what's that thing on his head? Nah, she didn't tuck my thing. Oh, honestly, those dark taillights. Shit looks crazy. You know I gotta take my pictures too. crazy because it can't be anything crazy because my car is running like it's not like have a flat tire or anything, but like I think my sensor might have just went out. But we gonna pull over and see real quick. Man, those downshifts are lethal, y'all. That's tragic. Hopefully my tire is good, bro. I don't want to fucking have to deal with this again. I just had one tire blow out. Might need this. Well, everything here looks normal. Tire's not low. So it might just be the sensor. Sensor might have just went bad. Looks like we're all good though. Slap that bad boy in neutral. explain it, but like it feels bubbly once it gets to like 5,000 RPMs. So it's not letting me like, you know, fully, for some reason, I'm not sure. It's probably one of my sensors. I know it was telling me my math sensor. So I do gotta get that checked. I'll probably change it out. Definitely sounds like a 10-speed. I don't know, but like it wouldn't let me after 5,000 RPMs, it wouldn't let me gain any more power. So I gotta look into that, see what's going on. I know it definitely was telling me about a sensor, my math sensor, so I might just buy that, change that out, and see if that makes a difference. But yeah, I mean, like, as I can see, there's no check engine light, but when I did scan it, that's what it did tell me. So I gotta just see what's up with that though. But this video will probably be short, sweet. Honestly, I can't really give y'all the full experience because she don't want to give me the full experience right now. So once we see what's that issue after 5,000 RPMs, then I'll be able to get y'all some more clips.
No matter what you say, what you do,